my STC app not loading. Here is the quick fix. So first of all, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also check your internet speed by internet speed checker and Google. After that, long press on my STC app and tap on app info, storage usage, and first clear the cache. If it's still not working, also clear data. This will log you out from your account, so you will need to log in again. Close this, go to Play Store, search my STC, update the app from here. If update is not available, you can also uninstall and reinstall this app by tapping here. After uninstalling and reinstalling the app, restart the phone. Once you restart, the app will start working. If it's still not working, then it will be a temporary glitch by the company. So wait for that.